What did like the message like? Look at that hair. Look! What is it like? Oh gosh. This is the woman of the world. Look at the character! 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kinakapitan. Ha! And the one more characters. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is not good. I can this is positive clutch. Wait. What's the doctor like? Why do you like it my characters? Now you look at my characters in the one hop. This is my wallpaper. What did you call me? Use the photograph. What did you do my flyers? Look at my cameras. Sorry. Huwag lang nga. Hindi kaya besh. Basta gaganto ka lang tapos awa kami yan. No! But I did you call me a characters. This is not my craft. This is the party craft. Search your play. Search your play games. Para may wala kayo. Are you cheating? Why did it my swimming pool in the ground? Wait. Why did assess the rain? OMG. This my thousands. What did it you do? Would you call another one? Okay na to. Hindi na ako nalaglag. Ay! Why did it calling me sleep? Look, she sleep. Nananaginip siya. Oh my gosh. And tapos na ang panaginip niya, besh. Nalakad na naman siya sa kwarto niya. Diyan guys, pipili kayo ng characters kung sino yung characters mo. Ako kasi guys, pipili ulit ako ng characters ko. My characters is this, yan. Okay na to. And I did it my houses. I did the ground of the dishes. What did you call me on the number 1? Oh my gosh. Why not calling? What is the final log and the number 1? Why is it? Will you call me a number 1 too? Will you call me a num? And traffic dito sa amin guys. Hindi kasi umaatras siya eh. Yan na, sakay na naman tayo. Hindi ko dyan uy. Sikap ko, tabi ka dyan. I going to the market. What did you call this is the final log? Ay, tagpas tuloy. Kasalanan mo to! Nantok mo ako. Sarap ko ng video na. Sabi na si mama dito, wala kang pakay. Hindi na wala. Kapag si Max ba? Pilay.